You know that version of you who goes to bed calm, stress-free, and actually feels like life is under control. Yeah, that version of you exists. And tonight, we're becoming her. So if you're tired of going to bed exhausted, overthinking everything, and still feeling behind in school, this night routine is going to fix that. Let's reset your nights. Step 1. Shut down the chaos. Your brain is on overload all day. School, homework, social media, stress, and then you expect yourself to just sleep peacefully. That's not how it works. You need to tell your brain, the day is over. So first thing, screens off, at least 30 minutes before bed. Yes, even Instagram. Your brain needs that break. Instead, do something calming, journaling, write your small wins from today, and a few goals for tomorrow. It clears your mind instantly. Or maybe read something light, not your textbooks. Even 5 to 10 minutes of stretching relaxes your body and reduces tension. Pro tip, don't just throw your books anywhere. Keep them in a done for today space. That small action tells your brain, you can relax now. Step 2. Set the mood for sleep. Your environment matters more than you think. A messy room equals a messy mind. So do a quick reset, make your bed, tidy your desk, dim the lights. Soft lighting makes your brain feel calm. Keep your room slightly cool. It actually helps you sleep better and improves your skin. Play soft music or white noise, whatever makes you feel safe and cozy. When your space feels calm, your mind follows. Step 3. Glow up self-care. This is not just skincare. This is you taking care of yourself. Cleanse your face. Wash off the day. Moisturize, even if you have oily skin. And if needed, a simple spot treatment. Nothing complicated, just consistent. Drink a little water, not too much. And take a moment to slow down. Even a simple thought like, I did my best today, can calm your mind more than you think. Glow up is not just physical, it's mental too. Step 4. Smart study and closure. You don't need to study for hours at night, but a small review can actually help you feel more in control. 10 to 20 minutes, just light revision. No pressure. Use active recall. Quiz yourself instead of rereading. And then reflect, what went well today? What can you do better tomorrow? Write it down. This gives your brain closure and helps you sleep without that constant stress. Step 5. Relax and sleep properly. Sleep is not just lying in bed scrolling. This is where you reset your entire body. Try to sleep at a consistent time. Teens need proper sleep for focus, memory, and mood. Use simple breathing. Inhale slowly, hold, and exhale. It calms your body instantly. You can also try relaxing your muscles from head to toe. And most important, no phone. Notifications keep your brain alert and ruin your sleep. Step 6. Make tomorrow easier. This is where you make your future self happy. Take 5 minutes. Prepare your outfit. Pack your bag. Keep things ready. These tiny habits reduce morning stress completely and make you feel more in control. Here's the truth. Your night routine decides how your next day feels. If you go to bed stressed, you wake up stressed. But if you reset your night, you wake up calmer, clearer, and more confident. You don't need to change everything at once. Just start tonight. Keep it simple. Stay consistent. And within a week, you'll feel the difference. You'll sleep better, feel calmer, and slowly become that girl. Subscribe if you want more routines, glow up tips, and real teen habits that actually work. Let's glow together. Till then, keep glowing, glowbies.